There's a parasite that turns ants into zombies. It begins as a single spore, drifting through the jungle air. When an ant passes by, the fungus burrows inside its body. Soon, it takes control of the ant's mind. The creature climbs higher, higher, until it bites down and never lets go. Then, a stalk erupts from the ant's head, showering spores on its own colony. One by one, the other ants become infected. The forest floor turns into a graveyard of puppets. Even the smallest creatures can be terrifying. Follow Bite-Sized Bizarre if you dare.